this thing together through the good times and the bad, hand in hand with one another when we're happy, when we're sad. Yeah. Being kind to one another is always in style, 'cause it makes your parents happy, makes your teacher smile. Yeah, it feels so good when you do something nice. That's the way to give your life a little extra spice. Yeah, everybody needs a friend sometime to help you make it through the day and give you peace of mind. So be a friend, lend a helping hand, and you will find that it's cool, 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 cool. It's cool to be kind, cool to be. It's cool to be kind, cool to be. We have yet to find that the doors of understanding open wide, with a spirit that destroys our selfish pride. Let our world become more beautiful each day, through the things we do and through the words we say. Let's have a conversation, a heart-to-heart communication. Let's talk about love for one another. Yeah, let's have harmony. I found that people do what they believe they should. Oh yeah. Sometimes I think it's bad, sometimes I think it's good. Oh yeah. But even when I disagree, still I must try. I've got to try, well, to see how some may view things differently than I. Oh yeah. Well, a little understanding goes a long, long way toward curing all the ills that plague our world today. That's why I'm working every day so I can be an instrument of love, peace, and harmony.